What happens when a podium-finishing compact SUV borrows a few pages from the muscle car playbook? Meet the 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid. It's smarter, a touch stronger, and way more fun than you might expect. Real gears, real torque, real response, without punishing you at the pump. If you've wanted hybrid efficiency with a driver's edge, stay with me. We'll cover the redesign decisions, the powertrain tweaks, the new trims, the features that matter, and whether this is the sweet spot for enthusiasts with families. Be honest, do you want a hybrid that feels like a hybrid, or one that sounds and shifts like a real performance machine? What's new in 2026? We already loved Sportage. Gas sits at number 1 in class, HEV near the top, and the PHEV still on the podium. For 2026, Kia adds a little more sauce to the hybrid, bumping total output to 232 horsepower, plus 5, and broadening the lineup. There's a new SHEV model that essentially gives you the value of an LX with all-wheel drive added, and a new X-Line that slots between EX and SX Prestige with a tougher stance. Meanwhile, the X-Pro mild off-roader joins the gas side. But today we're focused on the hybrid, the one that brings the torque and the savings. Can a 2% power bump make a difference? Or do chassis and tuning changes matter more to how a car feels? Powertrain and muscle feel. Here's the muscle-adjacent magic. Instead of a droney eCVT, Sportage Hybrid sandwiches an electric motor between a turbo 1.6-liter, 177 horsepower, and a traditional 6-speed automatic. You get authentic upshifts, a rising and falling engine note, and a more connected feel. Combined, we're talking 232 horsepower and a stout 271 pounds-feet of torque, delivered at different speeds for a meaty, usable band. You won't light your hair on fire like a V8, but this hybrid answers the throttle with a satisfying surge that feels more performance SUV than appliance. Which matters more to you, peak horsepower on paper or torque right where you live day to day? Sport mode, suspension tuning. Hit sport mode and the whole vibe shifts. The transmission holds lower gears longer, gives you useful engine braking into corners, and a little battery regen, then helps you fire out with enthusiasm. For 2026, the firmer tuning that comes with the 19-inch wheels, X-Line and SX Prestige, quells the too soft feel of earlier versions. You'll feel a little engine vibration under full send. That's the good kind of feedback, the I'm driving a gasser with electric assist kind. It's engaging, it's honest, and on a great back road, it will put a grin on your face. Do you want your hybrid to be quiet at all costs? Or do you want it to talk back when you ask for speed? Those 19-inch setups on popular trims bring more rolling resistance. Good news, choose trims with smaller wheels and lighter equipment, S or EX, and you'll trend closer to that all 38s jackpot. And if you stick with the rare FWD LX HEV, you can see a standout 41, 44, 42 MPG. Tech modes. Daily life is where Sportage HEV shines. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now plug right into a crisp head-up display on SX. Phone as key arrives for SX buyers, while even base models let you keep the key in your pocket to unlock and go. Terrain modes. Snow, mud, sand. Join Eco, Sport, and MyDrive, so you can tailor throttle, shift, and traction behavior. Smart Park can help thread you into tight spots, and the sensors now warn from the sides and rear, not just the front. USB-C up front and in back, a wireless charge pad, and a clean, all-digital dash round out a cabin that's simple, intuitive, and refreshingly not gimmicky. Valor and the buyer's guide. Which Sportage Hybrid fits you? SHEV, the new value play, essentially LX hardware with AWD baked in. Smart pick if you want the hybrid feel and the AWD confidence without the price creep. EX HEV, the balance, comfort, features, and those smaller wheels for stronger MPG. X-Line HEV, $36,985, about $1,900 over EX and $4,900 under SX Prestige, adds the tougher look and the firmer chassis feel many enthusiasts will prefer. SX Prestige HEV, the full experience, 19s, HUD, wireless charging, upgraded tech, the one that feels the most premium sport in daily use. Can you feel the extra 5 horsepower for 2026? Not really. What you will feel is the calibration, the way it shifts, the way it settles in corners, and the way the hybrid system boosts torque where it counts. The 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid proves you don't need a V8 to get a little muscle in your drive. Real value and efficiency that still makes your wallet smile. If you want a family-ready hybrid with genuine driver appeal, this belongs on your shortlist. It stacks up against the RAV4 Hybrid and Tucson Hybrid. Click the video on your screen now. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Which trim would you buy?